Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the frustrating Maytag Washer error code F50 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error can really throw a wrench in your laundry day, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get your washer back up and running quickly. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the F50 error? In Maytag washers from 2025, this code usually points to a problem with the water level pressure switch or the related hoses. It often means your machine isn't detecting the proper water flow, which could lead to incomplete cycles or no washing at all. This is a common issue, but the good news is that it's often fixable with some basic troubleshooting. So, why does this happen? There are a few likely culprits. It could be a kinked or clogged inlet hose, a faulty pressure switch, or even a blocked filter. Sometimes, it's as simple as low water pressure in your home. Whatever the cause, we'll tackle it head on. Let's get to the fixes. Step 1. Unplug your washer and turn off the water supply for safety. Then, check the inlet hoses connected to the back of the machine. Make sure they're not twisted, kinked, or blocked. Give them a good inspection and clean if necessary. Step 2. Locate the filter, usually at the bottom of the washer, and clean out any lint or debris. This is a quick job that can often resolve the issue. Step 3. If that doesn't work, try resetting your washer. Plug it back in, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, then run a test cycle. If the error persists, it might be time to check the pressure switch or call in a professional. To prevent this error in the future, always ensure your hoses are straight and not under strain, and regularly maintain your washer by cleaning filters every few months. Remember, if you're not comfortable with these steps or if the problem continues, it's best to contact Maytag support or a certified technician to avoid any potential damage. There you have it. That's how to handle the Maytag Washer error code F50. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy home tips. Stay tuned for our next fix, and happy washing.